I'm Cece and I'll be starting a YouTube channel called Cece's World. For my first video, I will be doing a paper squishy collection. Paper squishy, don't really want to pull it, but whatever, don't mind that. So all my paper squishies fit in here. Don't mind what it says my name on it. It's just like a little bag that had my name on it, so I just use it. Whatever. But I think I might just getting like this is like a small paper squishy collection, but I will just be like, well, it's kind of overflowing, so yeah, but this is where I make my paper squishies. Wow. But yeah, so let's get started. So yeah. Okay, so first like series, we have like categories. I don't really have series, but I have like categories. So sweets, we got an ice cream, we got a cookie, we got a donut. I don't know if this counts in sweets or like breakfast, but whatever. We got a roll, and this can be like a dessert roll. So I'm just going to take out the donut because this will go in another category because I don't know where it goes. So yeah. Okay, now moving on to just electronics. You guys are probably never ever going to guess what this is. This is AirPods. Yeah, it doesn't look like it at all. We got a phone, what I will be fixing because look, I did a button and can you guys guess? The camera. So I'll just be like fixing into that. That's why I have this printed. Not saying that. I'm going to use like, whatever. You'll probably see it later in another squishy collection video. And then this, I think this is my last squishy that I just made. It's a computer. It took me literally forever. Like, forever, guys. Okay, so it has like, it's a math book, but I don't know, has a keyboard, and then a math book screen. And guys, I did not color that. I printed it. So yeah, and then this is just the back. And then this is the like underneath it. Okay, now moving on to like toys. Okay, so like, or like, it doesn't really have a category. This jumbo rainbow. It's pretty slow rising, but not the slow risingest. Okay, that doesn't make sense, but whatever. Okay, this is kind of creepy, guys. My brother says it's a creepy baby. It's supposed to be like one of those sheep things, but it did not turn out. So I call it a creepy baby too, or a creepy flower. Because it's shaped a flower shaped with baby face. With purple cheeks. Okay, moving on to like little like snacks, you could say, I guess. We got a pizza. We got a watermelon. We have Doritos. Now moving on to shapes. We have like a cube, and it's like a, I don't know what to name these here. It's like all these squishies are cloudy. So it says like earth, water, fire, and then air. And it's like that with all the colors. Okay. Next, we got a heart, and I'll squish this one for you. It's not the slow rising, not really slow rising, but I really like it. Now, this one I like a lot. It has my name on it. Yes, I did that. I did it because all these squishies are made by Cece. Next, we got a star. Okay, this star is really bad, but whatever. It's not the best I can do because I knew it was going to come like that because all these corners. But yeah, at least it's a little squishy. Okay, now moving on to cakes. We have a Minnie Mouse cake. And this one I made filled with garbage bags, so it's super slow rising. And probably the rest of these are probably made with like Ziploc baggies, mostly stuffing. This one's, okay, let's find. So, like this, okay, whatever, I'll do it at the end of the video. So that's a Minnie Mouse one, and it has little polka dots with the ear. And then the worst one, what I'm probably going to remake, is a Mickey Mouse one. It isn't squishy at all. It's really ripped, and I made half of it with Scotch tape, as you can see. Okay, moving on to breakfast items. We have a little donut. This is supposed to be a Pop-Tart, but it kind of looks like a Kleenex box, I guess you could say, or toast with jam on it with sprinkles. But I don't know. I don't know what it is. I just call it a Pop-Tart because that's what it was supposed to be. Okay. Next, we have a single pancake, then a single pancake with butter on it. Then these two go together too. So yeah, it's like 3 squishies in 2 squishies. Yeah, okay. Next is we got a huge, like, donuts. I think like huge cereal box. That's the much I can just put in. Here, let me put the cream and show you. It's a pop cereal. It got really, this is my first ever paper squishy, actually. But it's actually really good. I think it's better than like 5 squishies ago. I don't know. I made that, but yeah. So guys, this is my paper squishy collection. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below. And, so, wow. Take 2. Okay, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit post notifications so you don't miss any time I upload. Because a huge thumbs down. Comment down below. And give this a huge thumbs down. I know I'm saying give this a huge thumbs down. Give this a huge thumbs down if you do not like this video, or I know what you like to watch. Thanks for watching.